The fish wants to follow me. So out shopping for the party. I'm with the sister over there, the beard, and the fish just jumped off the fish pond. He wants to go. Oh! Two fish, they want to go with us. Damn it. She wants me to package it. So, and the fish are jumping off. They want to go with us. I haven't even bought it yet. Already two have jumped off the pool. This is so crazy. Look, it's following me. It chose me. It's coming to me. She's actually trying to resist, but it can't resist. They have to do it quickly with the machine like that. So interesting. These animals, they've seen that they're not being born, so they're trying to rush out to come out so that they can be sold quickly. And this is the one like which we just bought, and the master is trying to cut it in small pieces. So gonna try to buy some corn. 开，我下次也开过来。啊，对。好，谢谢阿姨。我比较喜欢起家庄的东西。给我一斤吧。啊，要一斤。啊。还没那么巧的。因为要做个沙拉。3块4。看是想下来，但是下不好。啥样毛的？毛的只看毛痕，打起肉就看毛痕。但是今天包墨鱼。Howdy. So at the market, just buying some stuff here, trying to buy some veggies over there, and on that side, they just bought some veggies still in the market here today. So happy. Grandparents are so interesting, like they've been so welcoming and so cool. And so, yeah, just put so much meat and vegetables here. We're gonna be having a big party today. And I've already gotten some potatoes. Hello. 那是生出的都可以冬天了，再过一冬天。西红柿咋说因为 tomato 是土豆。tomato 是红柿 ，OK， 看。看得懂。他说话都那什么。我听得懂。话说的真好。哎。好看这么大。So we're gonna buy some wonder over here. 200块钱。好，看。210块钱嘛。This is the selling a lot of vegetables. These are the sisters. They were helping me to buy the stuff. Some stuff is here. Even though my hands are so tired. Some more fruits and veggies over there. This is just more like the open market, and they sell different kinds of things.
要啥要北瓜？对，北瓜12斤。
This is the professional of cutting the watermelon.
多蘸一下，这样就带瓤子了。
The grandpa seems to be like a professional. 第一次见过这么好切一个西瓜吧。Just bought some fruits over here, with some bananas over there, and it's time to go now. Guys, so sister came with the big car here, the Lamborghini. And we're gonna park all the veggies from here. So cool. So just bought the vegetables and she's gonna help us to take them. So I live in the market now, the shopping mall, and I ordered like a few things to use here. Just trying to order some stuff here. And Sister Kasia, she's trying to do home. So I'm gonna be going back home like after I finish, so I can go start preparing the meal like for the party. So excited. I'm lucky, my friend gave me the bike to use here. So I'm gonna ride it when going home It's so tired. Like organizing something is really tough. But we're gonna make it. So they're waiting for me. I need to go now. Just bought some stuff. This is the place where I bought my stuff from. And now I'm ready to go. It's so interesting. The lady's having a dog there. And then the dog was also sitting on the car like that. So interesting. So cute. Dogs also know it just got off the car. I'm cycling now. Going back home. My friends are waiting for me. I'm just gonna meet them somewhere. I'm just in this beautiful street. It is like near the schools. And then, yeah, nothing much. So we're going to cook.
Yeah.
And I'm with the big team over here.
Hello.
We're going home. Just bought some few things over here. So let's go. Oh my
就是
god.
给他一个 shower 嘛，这有什么难的？给他洗个澡有什么难的？真的是看不起
You
dry。
don't have to bath the vegetables, okay?
其实 Chucky, you need to invite my grandma.
She
Like it. Wow. Beautiful.
The chef. Chef, what are you cooking?
Chef?
Hello.
What are you cooking?
Are you a chef?
Yes,
你是个大
I'm a
厨师
big
吗
chef.
What are you cooking?
I'm a beautiful chef.
What are you cooking?
I'm cooking
I'm
salad.
cooking salad.
Cucumber salad.
Yeah. Hey guys, so we're trying to cook some veggies here.
Huh?
We are so busy here.
我教
So many things to do.
锅巴上
So we're
的
gonna, okay.
教老师大家好不
肉和，你别拿手电烫，你拿铲子能把它铲进去。
没关系，关掉。So guys, we're still cooking. We're frying some macaroni here, some onion. So guys are cooking here. Jason is cooking. Kai. And stuff is being right there. And Mr. Matt is also cooking over there. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, cooking together. Kai making some salad here. The chef here. The other chef here is preparing some fish. Wow.
Hello. 有这么多远吗？
The other chef, she's busy peeling the potatoes here. And the other food has been cooked here. Together with the macaron. And our stuff is in the fridge. So cool. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Yoyo. And we're gonna give it to Mr. Jason here. My salad to lose the taste. Oh, this is so big, Yoyo.
有什么意思？
你看你怎么这么快呢？
你嘴大和
Some swan sayu here with Mr. Matthew, the chef, and Mr. Jason here, the chef. Shima, the Shima from Africa. So I'm just using some hot water here with some corn powder. And then my friends are waiting to eat it, to try it for the first time. It is very, very interesting. So the spoon is so small, I'm gonna try to use something bigger so that the thing won't jump on me like this. This is what I was avoiding. We're gonna try to cook it directly. Because if you try to let it slow down, maybe
It's a bit burning,
it's gonna burn me.
so we have to make the fire lower.
Suitable for the cooking. Okay, let's go. Just keep on doing it. Cook different kinds of foods today. More.
How about banana?
It's okay. Guys, it's been a crazy day. I've been cooking today, trying to prepare some food for my guests and other issues. Just finished cooking the shima there. Some rice. Even though I'm tired, I don't want to clean now. I'm so lazy. But I'm having fun.
行，下去帮我拿东西。
我去把我
又有厉害。
我收钱了啊！
要行了，太好了吧？
下鱼汤50。
你也要去吗？
你要跟我去吗？你们俩都去吧。
So guys, we just cooked some food here, and we're gonna be having a party. I cooked the salad, also the other salad, also this one, the curry chicken, the vegetable, and then we've got 2 Chinese dishes over here. So cool. So many friends. Wow.
来了，就这。
开始了吧？Cheers everyone. Yeah. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year！
开始了吧？Cheers everyone. Yeah. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year！
Cheers everyone.
Cheers。
Cheers. OK。
臭宝，你来，
就过来。
露个脸。露个脸。
脸。过来。
过来。看一下镜头。Yeah.
Let me be here.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh yeah. 好。Yes. 好，OK，你去玩吧。
OK。